The project this time is to cut wine bottle corks so that they can be glued onto a board. I find that all corks are not the same size in length or diameter, but if they have a flat side, then they are easier to glue down. If I use a side gauge when I cut the corks, then they will all be the same height, making an even surface to work with. However, the conditions are a little close, and since the saw doesn't know the difference between a cork and my finger, I'm going to have to come up with a safe solution for cutting them. To begin with, I've glued together some pieces of hardwood to make a device for holding the corks. It doesn't look like much to begin with, but after a couple of specific cuts, it begins to take shape. Now it's starting to look like something. A little sanding and trimming to take off the rough edges. I need a piece of 1/4 inch doweling to make a handle. A little cleanup on my bench grinder. Putting a little taper on the ends of the dowel makes it easy to insert. Now to drill a hole to accept the dowel. A little glue, and some persuasion. The handle is now in place. Next I need a couple of small holes on the top side of my device. A 1/16" drill bit will do the job. You will just bury it along. purchased a set of long sewing needles. They're about 3 inches long. I also cut a small piece of brass to mount them onto. Now to solder the pieces together. Here I've cut off the excess end of the needles. And file the top smooth. When the needle assembly is inserted into the holder, you can see how the points protrude down about 3/8 of an inch. That way they'll enter into the cork. The needles hold the cork in place, and if I insert the cork in the right rotation, I can have the name of the cork show when it's glued down. Seems to work fine.